brand redu. This is a song coming from Kim Promise, or friend CCTV, and then the Dibiano. Featuring Sarkodia and Mugis.
Asempa FM 94.7.
See, so what the hustle know they make chance pass me by. So make it do your best and use your sense. I show the stress since I put God first. Charlie, it no be race, it no be test. And Jack guy to no one can test. So make it tell them. So we do come, no the fear them. Baba got it from my side, so no shake.
Yeah, when you're media, on Tonko na Hondo, on any CCTV, Davy and anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, yeah, when you're media, on Tonko na Hondo, on any CCTV, Davy and anyone me so. Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. So make you no cry, oh, no cry, oh. Say you go be, make you still try, oh. You no drum on the year, gosh, no good way.
But the question is anyway, is it gospel or not? Is it about the words or the personality? Is it about the message or the messenger? I told you I have a great gospel musician here. You better train come on. Hey, Adumo.
Even if I walk through the valley of death, I know the fear. Every day be your guide. Yeah, yeah, when you're media, on Tonko na Hondo, on any CCTV.
15 minutes to the 2 o'clock live on Asempa 94.7 FM. Yamongwem near tidbits and some echoes in the world of entertainment, Ghana and beyond. Na yesha say dear a branch of friends George Quay, Ukupimo Chatterhouse, or your communications director at my Chatterhouse. Wablasty group I friends say prayer wakikebia chomo pa prayer TETE-A-TEE prayer honeho prayer tente what's we musra de kakra because all job our modema Chatterhouse na it had no basis na ni nyina so bia na asem ni nyina ne say prayer ne di ka kwato twede kane e de nsem baaye say uhema they were expecting say anya hwekwa since they bounced back over a year ago no na ke de omonyom Ebeka group of the year home. One more personality as a group no kede Ebeka group of the year home. But Chatterhouse the nominees na list by and they were missing in action. So they even said say nyadia even launch no kwa omubeko be even ahead of say the nominees in Barbeton Mountain and then George Quay say and some no more can is unfounded in nyina so bia and it won pe baby ntare no nyina twede enti eno na sama eba from the camp of George Quay from Chatterhouse and sama ode abanonon but obekaya some time back Shatta the Wally Charles Niama aka Shatta Wally the boss of SM Music Oba out Ebekan Simbi Emekuri Asekwan on stage time I no launch a rain album no Oba no one na mo ne way ni baby mama Shatta Michi obukutuge shenekawa promising so be wire no. It was nice because they no be here anymore say anya hwekwa no sa kwade costume boy ko another big act like Shatta Wally after moving so many years with Shatta Michi and ka almost warrior nke be because he say sa kwade and wife Tracy o man antiache but anche ena akatisisi so ene yete say yes Shatta Michi wasesa ne normal ekọ a chese duru ba bi kwa na Shatta Wally kwa so onim baby ewo but still our dono still our ne ba majesty wa hwa ni muso bebe fie. Now the latest information abane say Shatta Wally was propose to another woman no Wisconsin University concert bi okoye ho and oko propose here to the woman live on stage say obeware no. Now question ani pani bi bisa ne say Is it going to be like Bakune Kosu between him and Shatamichi? And as things are going to be different, we be as a for cry. You be who said the normal AC echo ASMBisa. Yeah, we are just asking questions. Well, with you and you be phone lines now if you want to drink chaba. But you can join us live on Facebook Asempa 94.7. Gifty anta da romenti or the comments never and also back in kind amount. But recently, uko social media, there is a new craze about say my raw so that they can get likes. A typical example, Polo, Tweka or Tweki, one day in Wenya 1 million viewership on Instagram. And they brag so no crying. Some musicians are born their tour over years. Omunyas 1 million views now. But on no, within a day, with me and Yasadena is a higher feat we're achieving. Now, Encrophobic say nudity in a social media space na yadoson. So now what they are going to do is when him now take picture now one better what are there. Asempa FM, mami.
Asempa FM 94.7.
When him now wrong. Now take picture one better what are na tidy of the better no. What I want be a better about what are they tin are you afraid you be song round this national one must have been on the better war na new one abba we were here when a fear or actress and Instagram and social media celebrity we could try a nude picture be the buyer or picture now or the whole Waron Hunina and a Rene Danasene, and what the Taulus and Toma, or the Akatan and Nofoka Crano, and then the same Temtina. Kusukumani, but apart from that, Akatan and 9 right, and so the left leg Nina Daho, Nifimina Daho, chain than the comb, and watch any tin or Nitiato the Cohon, San or Diabeto, arches a month for a man fancy bisu chabanon. Now the new group of Maban also before and after Abba. Before I make a time I will go studio, I could try a nude picture and after and don't what I did. It's would who before and after if you or clothes photos not ever high and also who be you're going
Asempa FM. Asempa FM 94.7. Asempa FM 94.7.
That's the Tanganyika. When Timmy can't club, yeah, I just did it for an and I knew. I heard it was soon you are. I will you are having bed. Send me to heaven, I'm a money who need not to be done. Send me to heaven, I'm a baby. I do feel very Coco, Sasabora is hypertension, terrorists, and robbers, but you and 4 person with and go crazy. And there, Bushman, so I did and Toka, Mojavico, Masusamti, just as a Tanganyiko. But you bottom when you be a Samokai, I don't know, you mutu, but I'm only been a Samokada, say, yes, as a Tanganyika. Debbie, but I'm only between Chini and Copadian. And I'm anyone, and no one cook from Waboraso. And you are the cook from the bed, yes, Kawaba, yes, and our way. Now, so I will always someone to say, Ochinia, when I serve out, and you are to a cook from the Kenya, but they are
wira huwa ni kom koda ku adeche no baby mu osa tuwa ne nantia naso anantia na tani mwana ogotu na ni ase fa fe bini okipin silva no obeja ko soro na asientu ya wenja ni ara woni ni siati ya miseye de dia siniwa unya boko fra unya silva unya boko
Ah, nice song by all standards coming from the maestro, the hero, the most celebrated. And then wabeka yensa ewo ha yebetwetwe nkomo pa. Na adia ba kwa mepe about this penyini mami ni ho dance kakra. One and the sporting waves from the one in Fedie. Still strong. Utu say anwa wom kama. Anwa wom so betimi de anwa anwa na yi, betimi de achi akoko. Amna yi. The second thing, the theme awo de tonwom, ekwan wo faso tronwom, wisdom wonwom a wo troni mu, ekwan wo faso hyehyewom no. And ora SDA music, he's one of the few awetimi breaking all odds. And then nyoma amafo dance to it from the camp of the SDA fraternity Abba. Now otonyom na mekai or said the word of God is there.
Tender fire.
I'm more fire. Unisongo I'm more fire when they buy.
I'm more fire me.
When are they more fire by?
Me the inventor.
Because I'm more fire. Here Ben Asanyo no buy.
I think 2006.
2006 and I'm more fire and buy and every stage be because we am a kaiser otunyum na no aka am more fire na then I'm more fire what the share gospel
na me ye dwumabu na asi ho ewade wonu ma sam ye me de nti ye yina na o create some space na o create space nta me ho me gina o san no ma me ye bikatu obi na me ye hallelujah. The word of God is a tender fire. I'm more fun about crying.
And the tender be crash.
Yeah. Oh yeah, you know. And a fire, a filling space with a penna. Now no, Ghana for the city Casano. Mama in free one because it be a gospel was a crazy. Now band say you can be on and that is so.
But okay, I'm more fire and now wouldn't say a time will come. A big program on Adum TV and Asempa FM, Fire for Fire. When I was be hosted by a bigger personality like Countryman Sumo.
That's my friend.
Obeba Befa. And now say a man inspiration. No more fire. It me a trend there. You big. They said the Ghana no.
Na me news but because I was saying me answer me uja. And Asembia no din na heti akoma bia so wa. A phone on a show soldier. Yeah, and Ejabia Eja.
It is Ujana show. You. How officially my Moakaba?
Yeah, and you're
back on the name Mugu. But still, I was watching with the about 2 years old.
You cross up a Mark 2 class obissia. So the money had on Yamaman.
Mekaisa some time ago, me tribe it. And who's one of them?
So wouldn't carry her no. What's up, Pemba? Minam was at you in Abunda.
Okay, that's my smart.
No,
you remember the between nights.
I said, I said, I'll bob or your Pemba.
We are careful. In a radiado, say,
oh, what you gonna a friend tackle from behind?
And also the other red card now. It's been a while.
Oh, yeah.
I have an alcohol.
Now me different production. Now me work akra. Now me cheche bushia.
Okay.
I was making a family.
Until open some time.
Yeah.
To make family.
Yeah.
I didn't nyum to no na interrupt your ability to.
Na kwento ne do so pa. Me kai say edu abi na me huta ma me nim me wale me fan se be 10 years ni. Me kan say time ma me na di me na tena se okrom ha December this year.
Wow.
Just the piano we continue every year piano we continue.
So for the past 9 years, you've never celebrated Christmas with your wife.
Maintain a crew that the piano we continue. Ti we dey e take me and me decide say no afede me to kwan bio. Na me nya kwan amomo so kakra. Eno mpo no Ghana hakura me nya daje. Anantana just me ba no madi awi kra.
But say ene
o sa me na munya na me sane fire no mu. Wo de mo go na me de menante.
Okay. There's a cash ne there. Waji bia kama.
Oh kakra say ye ho de.
Who say Obiji Kodi de te say Obiji true?
Oh yeah.
And to de kakra.
So you are saying money bibi anya pe.
O de kakra no bi pe ne kwa de nyina. No de asum Jesus.
Oh za.
Na since ode nyom ba ye amanfo kekansen bebrebe say SD ni na nyoma ode ba ye ni be two asen yet see two asen left right center. How do you feel ampon now looking back at the years ode aye nyom impact our creative and some amanfo aka fa on nyina now what you as ampon as a brand? How do you feel?
They be feeling say Onyankopon bambo da so e wo me so. So David Kasimbo say Lord bofo bo na usuru no ehon saban hia na oje won kwa enipa bia usuru na me bia de enipa beka fa no ho bia na emfa ho ne de enipa beka Nyankopon still nyametumi ebo no ho saban hia ti me de Nyankopon ase say baby ode me afa baby ode me abedu ere baby me won nei me dana se me da so won kwa eni ho de na me kana asem yeah my biggest priority. So me catch any pa say enche yesu baby. That's my biggest priority.
Yeah. And you've done a lot.
Yeah,
you've done a lot.
I've done a lot.
How do you feel Ghana as a celebrity as stars? People like you.
I just
why you juma ni nyina. Uma bobo kale wu ye ni akoni akosu. Uma na super odi ewu ni akoni akosu. The days of waterproof ni akoni akosu. Santo ewu ni akoni akosu. Na hwan ye wu ni akoni akosu. How do you feel after juma why nyina echi? Do you feel celebrated? Your mouth that needed attention also when you're ample.
Oh, Ghana dear, minimum say I omaya omun celebrate omu a friend say artist. Dear can't fanny pan one say better say assembly about home. That was when we be able to the recorder near the camera na wabachiro asem dear a boneno. Enkwa ne pefe nipa no se nipa no etiase pa waya de pa nipa be ka boy di waya de na anasa asumasi di waya de na yen celebrity ni ebinsi Ghana kromo da njakwa ko se the order of the day woto dwumo na ne du ba bi na awurade ampagya na wa mowa wa beri ba bi no kura na wadane adesefo o man ni nhye bia fa obi o celebrity bia ho ase woni nyame nko esi wi ya fine esi wi ya se omu hia ya de a umu okwan o mefaso amu sabe kan apart from that ne say bibi so bi celebrity say dwumtoni bi akwai de woni na mo aboze mpanyifo pasika ni pa no ohun ya no waru ne car glass ampon na mi sha wate na mi si yo daddy me da se na mi ni say o tse bibi say num no ai bibi onum wadwuma anya me de ma obasa isu be di yero nya impact na brabom o kasa eno nkwambo no is enough for me ya wanyum bi wazi mu o se for ho di nyina adwuma fani je ye wajapede ne se nipa ntie wa yi wa ya owura be kanfo na after all nipa ye de
e fa ba bi ne ya na many musicians actors any other celebrities edin komo ya na eye omo ya kakra
oh yeah ya se nipa no o wa yoro hu ma onyum no beto o wani je mu a musa me no ka sei parties ko so anye bibia owura ba bia wonte se ya bomanyum but nipa na nyame de sanse mu ina fa ne so no e de na nipa ehu fa no ho de twro anywhere Ghana for tumi twre fa nipa wa bobra ho e negative side but nipa bia awurade apagya ne bia so benya negative side se be ya onyo ho se bofo bi nti wo ya dey benya negative side e no so na Ghana for no so omupe no mo dia say okra just to calm down.
Talking about negative sides, me kai some time back yet say only SDA phone problem be. Me makwa SDA pen at father so. Me kai those days na ye wonyum bi or reframe monne dada Yesu mana ben Yesu e ba mon sorry
and your buy
me na juma ache afa me kan ache
mesa mo start
na ba ku bi o
city mesa mo start
oh ya no ho no so e onyu ba ku bi ani eto Adam ne Hawa me ba Adam boy Adam ne Hawa me na wo Adam so want you masem ne mu atie wo yera sem papa ku di edua be madome asasi kama mowo
it is something
bad man na it is something nipa wo freedom team obesa ko wo do team so as the dey e ade dey yakọ
bana na dada mimire
wow, it feels good to have you starting music from the SDA background and then your man with the buy how cool were they?
Yeah, I was enipa ohun no kra wonya kwa bio. Jesus Christ can say was ye shall know the truth and the truth will make you free. Time ana ye hunu ye no ye wo ni bi was afuni mu say oko even oko different church mu kra kwato dwom a it's like say what deviated from anyway kutaw and in church kutaw na no dey pa ye started na no dey na untumi nko ba bi say obi invite even within the church go invite wo just we permission church no tena se no mo decide say obeko anasa wo nko nti na eka nipa bebre hye nipa bebre obi o letter cry ba no e bia ba bia obeko no kra mbo na bia wo hira wo ho si e be ready cry catch us obeko na ye problem nti ma eka nipa bebre hye but me de kwa na me fa so free nipa bia nyesa na ofa so free obia me friend e different e jet you ato nti odo na nyoma mu odin de but ye nya nipa bia na omoni ye den e ka me ho Joshua no ka me group start to class no na nani ye den Awurade man that strength nti wa nyese sa yi na ye nko redi letter ansana ya kaso obi nko to dwom ni ade no ya nya sa ade no nti ma ye ne de no e shutu ntantem sa na kokoye ebi no de okoba agise ye bo sen sa no no ba me de mensia sa no na no kan share this no mutino masi
into wo de am one saying
wo de bi me be yazi ni mini obi anya sam crowd church board that for the past me be yazi mu 84
wow.
After kombre no matren wa de besi ne mini obi nya sam crowd ko church board da
there's a rumor say ba around say SD4 no nya problem to wo
enyum na me to ye no utie dwom na kan bra no me se akomudi wunia wan kwa ne nkyenya nkwa nkosa no na Friday du ye na obi acha no friends sika ore kotokoko me menda no udi obu na tensade na otokoko ba sa wako ne nkyenya fiada kosa na ka odu se bia that day Friday no na do bi kwa no ni bi na me kire se ye mo boy ho ye so so enuanu nsa enipa difference nya enyepe nti obi won ma ho kire ho wo enyamwa na enne ya wotu ya se me mende obi eba ne nkyenya no kasa obi nia ene ma beso am ekoje na se kom de no ababa na ofise nipa no obeda ko mobile sika ekuta no we nya bi fiada na nsiesie no hunti na me menda de no de kwakoto kokoko no enti na ye eye opener to them say yamwo wona e mere wona eni bie yes na sankwa ko basa wanya ba bi amu nipa na tan sa oba na nchen fiada na wodo me man bibi na hu se sika na de ma me no ebetumi abo me mato bibi na manye na me menda wushi ya me sa me to aduane de ya won kwa say na boy asori okwa na so wonko na de no deviate from nchechira nya media man say bidu minda me ntade no yesi no ade no ndo wo but esan say wa mesra minti na afa na me to aduane nti udmi ka ho because the reason why me tade ene sabat no
ade no man ka che penny photo bo ade nti na ohun bibi sa no nyame do mo sa nimde no that discernment no one can just so penny for na ade koya nyu because obeka so as udi o mompoa
yeah nyangopo ni mdi odema ya ni adwena odema ya no o ma ya ni obi anche because di nyame de ma ya no obi ni hu ade e bi ade me make bebo obi unu za ni we ade obi a ofiri azem koye esa babak it has done so many things yeah nti nyame de ade ma wa wo de ma for purpose nti enye nyuma ya nya no nyame me ma da na Awurade de da ya bra me say yenu we because of ewa na ebi mu no sanu mo le kwaso nti fire nyum no na me no bi kwa discuss no way
nesa nyame ene de sa nyum be so mo da ye say ampon ko ne koya nyum
ye ni say fafa say ya nyame anadwo na Awurade ma yadwum ye nto no say de obi eto ne de no the different no
na eba outside na sorry no fa no
oh menya problem bia o enkofo na mu dwene say enwi akoya to de obenya problem o say enkofo adwene ya no hu say enwi ya akoya say de we ezi ni wasa to no say yi ya obenya problem but obi enu menya problem menya problem bia
na say rumors about out ni nyina na no kwere
me ni obi anya asam kra nkotena church board ma ye ni asam for the past from 1984 mbe ezi ni me obi anya asam da
wow
na ma yam family ko church board asore no enyo ma dwene say be you say na be say no minister problem
so far enyom do say na about
the man ko for ye nyina count dia ma 16 albums
16 album 16
yeah 16 is baku bi akra 8 no so atam 16
wow Isaiah Ampon but onyum ni nyina no enwom ba ku bia mete ka makoma pa and I know say Ghana for do na o my experience be that me kai some time ago be ya be bo me na only God knows.
Yeah.
Asempa FM.
Oh, mi Argentina. Anaja mama ni ununtina. Yaresa fori nyamyo. Obaba mamenya uto. Shami Argentina. Anaja mama ni ununtina. Yaresa fori nyamyo. Obaba mamenya uto.
Asempa FM. Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
Erade ni mijafo. Yeah, yamyo. Nana grana na dia yami. Eyam bano bibenya wa fiare. Yeah, me ya choy. Yari safo mi wenye. Eti mi ampana yare kama shadami. Yare inti madofu mbo mi jani. Ah. Fisa mi bana mi wanso. Me se mi bana mi wanai. Yeah, mi bana mi wani. Yare inti na jani ni na shrem yare die. Yeah, na so se ni yase. Yare sa fone kwedi ampo kwa membo fo Jehova Eka sa memenya uto Yeah, mi Argentina Anaja mani ununtina Yare sa fone nyamyo Obeba memenya uto Yeah, mi Argentina Anaja mani ununtina Yare sa fone nyamyo Obeba mamenya uto
Asempa FM. Asempa FM.
Pedie Ebia mi yirene me mambo beka Ubetumi asa imeja padie nyina Nanso me krapa die setan ubwa Sara na odi ejobua Echenya mi mani di esekaninu Sasa yini mare chichi semti Mitamfu maweni nyi mamani uwai Na mi yare no njeze masei Eyemi no njeze minyeni pawai Yami kwana tumisisa shebre Mindim sobe tumi asesa mamani yesu Miyari inti ya mususu nyojome Mamani inti ya mususu ntitime Na yare safoni isa nyamyo Obeka sa memenya uto Shami Argentina Anaja mamani ununtina Yare safoni nyamyo Obeba mamenya uto On Asempa bro Deni papa ni ngase Obi ala wada ebi mani jeda Obi sunu na binso sere Papa ya lida basa da subantiwo Efisi dia sanwotwe ya onye ya resafo Mise wabre onye kemafobia Yesu Kristo sanu ya rebe Osimi sefa wakata nante Farasi fuata semya wati kokum Waja washe Se wasu wakata umida
it is on Asempa Buluzi. Yeni papa minyo. Semi Gratchens in them just so said Yani dear. Kopa menu got sajidi. Nasusanya Kupati Asin. Mesumi Gratchens. Never did a group on that in the way. A Jabaka Sama Menya. Come here, Argentina. And a Jamaman Unitina. There is a phone in your
Wow. Superb song by all standards. Me also gifty antad. Wabuni trukosa. Well, feely. Nice song. Obi a wayareda. Obi a yare kana to them da. Obi a yejojo ne da esan yare. Obi a washri ne dofu bi esan yare nti can relate to the song.
Yeah. We anyomo menka na say among me mabonyi na say dey work no. Ghana for favorite song even bigger than Akukofunu because anytime anyomo never I me anyomo 2005. But the besine
years
the besine o dey up my program na nefa nyumishim the wada kura benyane
make odin ye born nyum we no I was single man
yeah
because my make kai no maybe but ye be gina we so na ya encourage obi a wotie wo hospital bia ana be mabu ye ne se baby aduru de wagya se nyamete ase
yaresafo na ben
enwum we na wo matie no
ogina yare mpa no ho pe
wote ase
o ne sabe kan
e wo se wonya gidie
yeah
se sedie tie bia no nyame de ne nsa beka se me nyame ama yare amfa manko
dabi
nyame ama yare amfa obi ankwa o ma yare amfa wonko menim se wo gidie obabi a wo bia nti waje so amen ya hwe e de be na inspire sa anwum yi
amen kan se SD asoria se obemu a de ye kire wo no odi adwuma ihu abedi wachi wonkwa na nyina because ya padisuya e bible asori yesunya de bebi yesunya chese yapon asoli e was essential esunya de sa ko ise bia by 6 o'clock ansa ne yapon obi akofi ti obemu na opadisuya de a obebe nyame you be close to God na due to that no na ye kwe program bi wo Swedru na you do Liberia camp no satam na omuntu kwa no aba na yedi o maba no na obi hono sister bi nice girl pa na oben ye ka no na senen ban fo ye kwakwa rally wo e friend Swedru mi hu se girl no e ben ye ka no na mi fi se bia obeka asama che obi na oba baby but oba ye no na mi hu se obi a nensa atwa diole omuntu kwa no nti wona mka ho a o se sade
wow
na in fact me wura ho ya de ko ise mi kodu Swedru ho mi se enti obeye sade we ne nkwa na nyina no obeye akosi sei enti me du Swedru no na ma twere dwumo ya wie
wow
2004
na so tro no kam
me twere me no kam me de ge na ho awere ho saa kosi se me kodu Swedru a me ya nwumo yi
I like emotions out the two nyumwe but what nyumwe ba out now nim say betimi create impact say 14-15 years down the lane it will still be big we born program be as people will dance to it
na me nimu pa because to me edi achi ne de kan ma me de twere sa adwumo no nti na me nimu say adwumo no betimi enya impact among me nyuma me ye nyina from that Hosanna album no this is Ghana for favorite na panyi bi obehia obi abeka che o say me yale yo wonnum na me tie ya Rade for so esam yare nipa bebre o ma frɛ ehye nkunan nyame nhira wo wonum ne siesie ma wale wonum ne ma me yese a whole lot te me danyanko pass bebi odi ma bedu me mfa se me ba nyum 1996 up till now bebi rade ma bedu no mani so enye sika ne ahode de na mmom se ma ye frɛ ne se make impact to people's life that alone is enough for me
yanhwe enyuma wato about out impact awanya ne yi apart from you say moti atua mo ba this style na ne yi mention dem who SDA phobia almost follow that is it because almost show and then what is going on
nyame ade asam so ma wa opesa obeka ne sade etie no obi abedi dance say every good musician unyanwom na every song comes with a beat with a rhythm ni sametia ze sie se enwom ba meta pom nsa se de enwom ne ko bi yar meta pom nsa na de beat se eye se ya one dropper oto a obenya ne sa say high life on so a eba na oto na oye beat na okọ studio asa na obenya but na some people no omu fear ne say asafo no empe etwene ene nyoma bebere nti no anyumo ne ba se dey kura na suro no e ka ne hye mane ye anyumo no se de asafo ne pe ba me hu se nya asafo na afreme nya me na afreme so I take that initiative and I move on.
Nessa ehun so kan obi because SDA music head but on shedan ko big show be invited this group or that group mo free SDA apart from wo time I want to see mo so epeja ye and Isaac the show boy ni ade nessa ehun so kan obi
ehun kan ba me de me hu se enye asori na afreme nyame na afreme nti me de osoma me na dwuma nti ne ya mete ye no eno ho na mo na metu ade bedu mpempe so si
nessa SDA uhwe man nessa e sha anwum to force ana restricting restrictions in the ho no kre ba ko pe me metra me nya atwum ni because ye ne sisi ye ni amre anka nyame mfa yendu be bia adi nioma ye fa mu pa awrade dia bedum pempe so se no metra aka se enya ye no me mpenya atwum nioma me straight forward ye she omu she adwumtofo so ye criticize o e kire o se to nyum se dia so ne pe ba me hunu sa so na afre mi nsi nyame na afre mi ye kan fan compare a crop of songs are aba na utie nwum e wo radio TV ene ade a ya na ebi mo kasa ase we na amafo de ni mo hakakra ase hurikuri ni ani je ne doso you share the same idea
say enwon to no
ase emu words no content no as compared to mo de nwum ya ye ni ade no
na content no na omo like e wo say omunya nsem on say nsem ni sha na beat na bebri but I was saying someone doso with a beat I think that is good but akoba say in some na nipa to nti o two best two lines per anyuma na sa oni asem bia ka biem eno na enema omu ma beat ni doso bebri na akwakwa say I was say wodi nyum no esa e de sepa ho a
na so mo lucky vocabs
in some no I was saying some doso
obi beka say dodo announce na ebi o manya mentor bi o mentor mo into the gospel space if we say we see so one mentor obi ne what me adwini abedu that level na we expect so bit me abedu
asma kan I was kura gume na me background 96 na nipa me pena sempa wazie mu a mesua no nwom to pa e bafo chimensa ntina e ba ya mbeka me group no we beti group no enyina na nwom an yato na meso da na me nigina stage to dum na me bom me pena semwa ti me catch Yankopon said this man there I have to meet him one day me so da ye hu no ni gina stage ni to dum but me hu no say Accra to Kumasi there enya possible na me kata mana mo kurase na me pena semwa me no de bia me wey na obi wo Kumasi me den me share one day poda ti me bedu Accra no na wa ye nwom a atude say Noah na babalanche pamshen no pamshen na me pebra na semwa nti me di ka won nchen wala adwo na program time nso me kwotena ho ala adwo park no me yam 97
ala adwo he
ya na de 7 no mo lanche nyum no me kwosihye nkonwa na me hihye nkonwa no na me tena front seat na me pese me hunu se woni mini me kwosihye nkonwa ni bi bo mo no mo parking nkonwa no hihye nkonwa le enuma nyina me wi na me tena front seat na ye frɛ papa na omu ba stage no opeja anwum bi yadwi akuma eyudi o eje yemu boni nyina na mete dwom no awosigu na meka samba ko chelo ade se urade mama nto nyum saba pen na betumi mama nto nyum kra ense no me request nyum 2 efunya me nchen se mama nya saba pen de betumi a mama nto nyum se no mini ne se me mana de ye me frɛ etimi ko somo me ko yihye nkonwa eboa no wo de lunch na se wabla minnim no ba bia
wow
na me se Yankopon for your friends impartation na urade so ani menwamo nti anya wanwa se du ba bi no na bafo chiemensa be pemasem nti oba nof kanashi mpanyifo invite mane ba se obi onof kanashi otodwom se wo enti so won firi Kumasi ba on fa ne group no family group Step to Christ no ne na no mutonyum nti yetoa edu ba bia no wajama me na me fire kosa nti mankofo hu me boy bi onof kanashi otodwom se chei boy bi onof kanashi otodwom se bafo chiemensa e ho na me benya invitations bebre wo Accra ba bia zie wo bia na me nya na etra ko miamia bebre nti me kan se nipa me mentor na me ni si mani so me catch Awurade say o ma menye so no anampo mentra no e ba fo chi mensa na obeye me dofo madamfo di besi nne me mfane ni agoro
na wo so nipa dodo san e na wo so watimi aso o masene di o ma wura industry we mu
bebre kwa obi abeka isi Isaac me wonko for Canada brakwesi friends eldaboatin US brakwesi me wonipa ahodo oboase ko oboase benya abrantie bi a your friend say flexible entertainment me na me so nsa Ebenezer Sando obodwum bi atudi say friend say dotie nipa bebre masoso nipa bebre nsa a whole lot. Wow.
Isaiah Ampon, no live on TETE-A-TEE Asempa 94.7 FM. Ye Bruma Kopim 3 Ebebo. Join us on Facebook. Give the answer that roman to between joining us. Now the comment about Benya Dajana for Yakin kind Eddie amount. Now Oka Isaac Showboy. Onisi Asemi. You see drama from Swania Kayan. Yeba.
Hallelujah. The word of God is a tender fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. My grand, anyone who wants it. My grand, and nobody is here. I want to Yansan and what him. Obiani and you in a G. Everybody went to Mazam Yoja. Of every new money by. On the new Mazam Bosso, assassin in your room. I can't say I'm buy it. I am poor. I can't say soon buy it. What's some yamin there? Everybody want to want some yoja. I cry and you bed yes. I want to mean Yansan and what dim. Be any new energy. Everybody want to want some yoja.
Asempa 94.7 FM, TETE-A-TEE, face to face, Wunienaminie, super afternoon, live. It's all about entertainment. Yane the legend Nankasanewa, Isaiah Ampon. But therefore, man for Adrian or the other quickly. Waste me in the Frank Sherry. Also the Free Belgium no deba. Was mama Saturday now you good pa. We see a friend Marvin Opoku. Was a good afternoon watching you live. What the free man so there the usaso and what the buyer. We say the teacher constitution. Now was so here live. I was the free Ramwas and Miami Crum Ramwas and the free bar. Yan watch I gonna be for phone and Marvin Opoku. One also say I like that one pa. Peter Paradise and so they were by one day and someone were by Abdul Rashid Abdul Aziz was a journalist. Or say journalist when the many pebby hype. Or can't or more rom hono. Yababa how Isaiah Minu didn't come about it. Ye fry young call Peter Paradise there so was a guy small boy Juma Pa Prince Amwan so or say a great power here for Israel. Nana Safo Kantanka was a wise man, great ampon. Was in Yakopon in Shana Power, Hurry Free London. David Aban, one also saw her pa, what if Kumasi, and what the way a buyer. Where's your friend Justice Kujo? Was a man no great, no talent pa, Yakopon in Shana. Where's your friend Kwame David? Was a nice one there. Prince Amwa, and so they are there about or say, I miss you, bro.
Where's that?
Israel.
Yeah, but boss, this is my boy.
This is
you're crazy. I was you near the Anibia, and you do any idea.
Wow.
I'm Prince. Yeah, bye, but your munchia, you know. Take you know. I didn't go for
I feel baby. Share. First, we have my where the hour, dear boss, your friend, and now I didn't watch mine. What's he already? Hey, ya pa. Na so when you read that, who the opinion came Switzerland and the free ed buyer. What's in Yankopon? And so in Shana pa. Where's to say a friend or Davina Juliet? What's a nice one there? Sounds so and away the hour, dear ba Nana or didn't watch mine. What's it? Thanks, bro. Messages no dos you been your time now for yakin can Eddie Mamo. Aqua baby on.
Yeah, Jamia.
Yeah, and you way a bear hit pa. So big.
Yeah.
I just a Ghana baby abe Fabian sorry wedding yes no be abo. E dear ben the manum a hit song.
I dear manum a hit song ye to me a din munachi. Because on sana obi pe not some tama soul yarino. No put man abo nsenku e man e ho money to nti akwa bi ye request say me hunu Jesse baby. Na oyo okufuni waka number 5 oyo okufuni otumi ne ho na onurade asemu nhwemu na ne ho ye fe afi so awrade honhom e wone so number 5 we adum tuni a e so onyam bi when you are not less than 2 or 3
na so
personality bible mu nhwehwemu usunya de spirit fed man afi e so ye active ni kwa so didi me yakakaka de say
no I trofo
also unya we at the same time so a friend say was good personality said now can almost see money at the after the spirit background no that's the most important and the carry nyum edeko so obi a to dwom de ada na obi de ne de ba na nkofo nyina to di the spirit.
Now sometimes yet a controversy in the social media space. Yes, say I'm to full be church or nipa bidi edigusi kaso ye de chef for more why so you to nibi so malambia frames will be the picture koye so on coming your one share said ye be or no beji din ya de sa no man do you believe in it?
Na mbusawo Yesu kan sembi bra no Yesu afo nti ohun se bronsam ba na so ka che Yesu afo nse mo masin me yenko na wiaso sudifo ne ba na me de ne hwie ni me ho papa so obi hwie ni ho no you don't concentrate on him me minim bosom bi ana minim malam bi ndi so bi frame me say we malam obi de picture ba don't concentrate on you because ye tim mu no nyame aka chem say de wo tim mu no oso se do wiase e so de wo tim mu no board wo wiase no enti I don't concentrate say me believe pa me mfama dwene nko ho awurade sumo bi a na dum shedem se wodi mutuni no nsi nyame na afra o pa de papa on dwene so betumi aka wahye se mutuni emma out a na bia hosiesie bi na ma out ba so obi pa do picture ko na waka wahye de e bia enya me so.
Wow. So after all the hits, how was the docent were receiving?
Ghana Music Award. And buso as Omar
Bibi say I was the docent were receiving.
Me say as Omar so
let's all receive your award bia.
Oh yeah, nominees je bebre ba share be manzo de no so yasem. But ga no be kona tanga no yasem.
Ampo we serious.
Oh yeah,
how many award bia?
Tell you the fact.
Into what idea be pa na account for that?
Minimum minimum say award no I said why enkwan why abenkwan na engo abani na wasa enya ngunu nti na why enkwan no ba why enkwan so de bedidi na engo na abani ye nyina ye anwum say ye de akamfu nyankopon din e na sa no ma we nyina akwa bem ade ase ti se ye flow se de be show wonsa eye ni onyam hye ne fa bi but I don't concentrate on it. That's me.
How?
No. Because
you ma why years over years.
Me koi me makob about sakole GB. Me makob 9 awards from Europe. Menya 2 or 3 me koje 4 oh Holland na mko je 3 oh Belgium 2009
one kwa Ghana ha
we had it
single one
so mu
wow but just one
oh yeah wonim maybe your man pay go for frame me mama call ni fee for the first time yet na say din ko na say obusa first time na say na my word no mo ya ni say this is what he asked me na my word Ghana mo music word mo ya ni say no daddy na dey was na obi te say o permit na TV no me hu say omu ma word ni bia menti ase na say baba ese o mara de me kan ya no
award no wo award schemes no jidi
o say ni pa se bia error ho ade bia mfiri nya me free ni pa bia no there are so many mistakes
when you back and affect you trust in those awards.
Oh, there be me madwene nko ho. Say me catch no. Me young mama nyame. Say this year make mama de ba me ne Mr. Nicholas Obania Champo yakabo ma de latest be eba na e de abekanya ba ko na ye no adaka no na afa ya lanche. Your concentration ni say nipa be fa yanumutu mu ehu nyankopon. Period. Award ni de me de kosi mi fia e de na be me baba me catch na me adwumutu ni da so asa. Na me man so be say me gina stage performance so they have already have the crew say papa e go to nikasi that alone is enough
nipa ni be say ekoba ne sa ya na ebu omo di echi na bem say ohwewo na adwuma waye dedication any ade nyina na ekoba so wo manyimu ye mo wabaso da unyi ni say be discourage the younger ones
o say the ade ten say Jesus Christ kan sem bi o ka che suafo say mun firi wiase e fi say wiase ni mu na wiase ni mu ne de na ne de etie ne baby a omo ya de ni free no they have their people that they will give to them so what na say yi away enkofu eni plan say mo ma order nka mo so what are you expecting that's it
Isaiah Ampon wa ha yegu so ye pem so call pem say bebo 3 o'clock na recently some musicians back out because say oko out okoye campaign otonyom o endorse political party bia Ghana ha no ne agageo na fe bi wiase no na akanwahye itina ema wuntimi nguro se de wo so oguro no ema me kai say Lenny Akpadi pastor craba out because say the biggest regret and say or endorse a political party. Isaiah, how do you see it?
Or made them a group because I was Ampon before I endorsed Nanado to become a president. What is it? And you know what that? And dear also nimu nimpeja hu bino. Nipa nim lenase. That's the truth. So mpeja no o kan ko no wonimu na wo ko no se wosoro enimu hu bia nipa nim rewase. That's what I know. See after me here adwuma ma na do nyina no me da so ya Ampon de besi le.
Na mobile my
me mo ko first that was over kubisa
do microphone ni
o da bi o so see edin ko mo ti am
mobile no ke wo de o se me so amaso mobile na nyibia yenim say nipa 1 or 2 bi o ho a uti nkomo mu didi from other corridors
esa bia mo
ebi mo so esu say as hwe she dansi ye anyibia bibiansi
me ka cho
bibiansi
yeah
oh Ampon bibiansi
no kore ba ko pe BBC.
Ba se BBC dia.
Oh, we see dia say nyame na se. Na dia tie bia so was BBC. Because yeah.
Oh, there be can honey bi.
Me say dia tie bia was BBC. Because Daniel e ko chere da yemu e chere Nebuchadnezzar. Nebuchadnezzar e ma na ye was o ma na ye Israel wo mu spiritual leader. Israel. Na Daniel e ko himfio no. E na o ka chere Nebuchadnezzar say nyame nko na minuanum bi o mo mbo mpa ma me. Bible says Nebuchadnezzar Shadrach, Meshach, Abednego, minister of lands and forestry. It is in the Bible.
Wow.
And he said, "Anyame wa domo na unye ni swadi hu bi me de me so das na do president." Na me ka che me say papa yi say no maso daye, ba say me yenwuma no. Anya easy, me busuafo nyina ante ase. Say wo do career e ko so chacha sa no. Ba me pursue yi say sa na me hu. Na me ye nipa bia. Me nya basam ju hu. Papa me disare sa de we me ya obi adum mabam. That's my life. Enti me ye adwuma no ma no kosi se ensem bia o kan se o de Ghana sika be hwe wo mu a bibi nti o ma wo front me hwe mu SS me e no na me dwuma ko SS because papa ewu ntam che ma busu ne be struggle ya enti me tell some message no e kama kuma say why don't I do a song for this man say in case in person me esa sapa no ho a nchiri ma benya so mfa so enne me no kan
on say na senior high school was your biggest motivator.
Yeah on say ne me no ka say enkofu edi matam me ye no ma nana omo Facebook atawidie o say stupid young man, you are endangering your career. And some bedroom for money at the end. A billion ma, a billion yanum, and a free SHS. Mimeba, and I mean, you're being or could be by now. So at least, I may be piano, the many who need your each seminal. Abem.
Next, and come on, person a free senior high school by and Cabaco.
What am I called? Yeah. He said, you're jamming Chimano, and see a person who's a good idea. A friend say, a man, a young papa without fear fever.
O say BBC nti say BB and say na Nyankopon say each 2020 obesaba
na oyi ni power na oyi
o there be oyi chew so nkrofo yi ebia say obesaba no we say ba ku ya oba yi di watem nyina hwensi
o bi si agwa bi amene ne ko interview na interview ni ya che mu mienu na me boy no edu ya pe no se no me ne secular artist ba ko e na wono ena also do ofrikofo dia bi apen wose ene o choose me na mbuza zade na o choose me say obasa woni me mumukọ for interview no ye for mo say advancement no say no me de me anya bibia me hu say nyame nsa wo so nti ebefa ti word no yusu ye na o hwa kwa na obi ekogi visa o shatade a awo bremu ye so ayabrochim dada
why ready
ne mpaboa na me kan say nti ye funa ye ni say ebefa nti dia tie bi ebefa
but I'll say
ebefa I just say apart from say nanampo no
say 2 years etwemu
tio apart from nanano enkofo yidi mambidi
okay
oh yeah
neso wo de o horo sakwa
oh yeah apart from say nanankasa de bi beso meze geno enkofo eyamado yakama
neso wonsafo
emfo tuma sa but anya bad
yeah nanado buy we 2 years
yeah
o mayimu o endorse ye ye di watem 2 years of nanado amemu no say na wo hu no
mama no your friend say 80% na watching 2 years no for 20% na akano if you say the ordinary no kan no the major thing na me enamo so ndia me yanwuma no kra ne sa free SHS no ada sa de ne ba mu penam se lo ade me da wase at least na utie nma me no so ameka ni nyina wo enti at least anya bibia no nku ambo no efie bi mu anka omu nyani da so senko betumi akọ SS da ene omu nyina anya so mfa so enya no nku ambo no bebiri ho no mu a Eduardo be fa no so ayo ma we
yeah creative space
yeah
because I want am no mienu edidi there was a minister
yeah
Katrina Feku na omampanyini uniform no de for aba I want to never be nine and people were saying say as a government the priorities no do na e wa akwan e wo school e wa resabia na e but the creative space na ye nheda enhu e ho popoye say na wo hu no
problem is say o say ministry no eso na omudiskari nyina ma ye friend say Minister of Tourism ahono skari nyina kwasho enti say omu and divide anchem amfa creative art de na ma na ko ba say sikari nyina ko fa friend say Minister of Culture sa no mane ho de ya
tourism
any friend say problem baba me dem empa bo say ombechem tu no mu fa friend say creative art de hoda me no ye friend say ye hye no no mu fa tourism for so de momu but sikari nyina ko di one ministry say we hwe no woncha ye hwe ni mu a ema insane masia
na se bi be mimiri bi
say animal kingdom de osumu amene nyonko
ye hwe say erade wadom na ye tie ye omodin ba wo bo nsema ye kai na mampanyini use say ampon bra be her creative arts ministry so a e dien na immediately anka wo be ye de aboa creative arts space no
de meye pa ne say empanyifo a eto dwomo acha na ye kra master season no they are the first people obi wa mo ni baby da kra was me man baby atna
wow
because yakọ music ayi won mu akọ ye program papa empanyifo ni bi won mu a sabe ye bi no kra ni efre mu male omna na no nikuto mu de mba ho na ba sika ye che ene de wo mu gedi akofia na bibisa ani akase papa won na ball ni we me ka se me first sika me je me cheche man empanyifo bi
Wow.
Yeah, me the mom because sir nipa me tin nka me feel say be kra with dada but they are still alive. Ana safo no di besi no aban bia ba wonwo no but omunyum wotina radio so me say you 21 ma wiase betumi atena for 1 seconds na den you have be danya awrechekere de onani age be danya bibi e de atwa ne ho enti e ho ne wo sempanyifo no hwe ne yiye enu music de eni wiase a minim de wiase be but ye mpanyifo ato no ma cha no se urade ye madom pa se me ena even se mo obo kra won kra na I'll make difference. Oh yes.
Okay, baby, music.
They have to make difference because mpanyifo bo mo mato ma che o bo sa akwan to wansa na bia obo no kro beba but say no masit no mutie
who music asen
enye simple
enye asen
me mfase mu nsie ennyuma wo so me to akwan no enye ho ne da
ne so mo mo de
no 0%.
but obo man na think a young man never
ni enyina sa na ni enyina yenum no kure ne say yenyina ye mpaibo enye nyina so na eternity ne so pa nti onyaa no be ye ni gesempa ma yenyina but papa me kan kure tro say agis obi ewu ansa wo obo ho
wow
o ya me kan kure pa na tro gis obi ewu ana obi boy for example boy ya latest grow we ya noche
supremo
how say e was celebration of forces is carefree go for wa bra kwa musician na music and na what are they doing?
But some time back, no one say dues to your no.
Dues to your dues no for dues to change. Nipa no wa pay dues. It one was it's your dues man. Me eduma ma ye nyina no but you am dues because all the midin e kwa jeje e friend say royalties. What you say? All the money midin kwa jeje royalties. Nti dues be no say say to ya. What you say? What the midin e kwa jeje royalties eba. Nti say me tu am dues we ma pay me dues. So what dues are you expecting me to pay again?
Definitely, you shall not baby sans question we. But let's move from the music space. Yemra
how do you call on us?
Yemra dance it nemu. Enra minim sa ote de course wa Kentampo area. Accident back on nipa free mono. Official figures are for the man was 55, 35 eshe drobe beyond recognition. Just no. So your bass or your bema wash it. I simpunam.
This identical
20. And so the true accident in no it being so AC was central region. Emma no snake can nipa 9 and some other accidents. You can boom my enran kwana nipa base 70 and running no more free moon. We a musician. I then I'm on to your fire safety on.
Baba Mama no menka no grandchild. Me menye jako ye nyum as soon as anana eba office pe na ye ne target road safety. Obo de pa freja ko rebusa no ye nyum ye video edi wo machi eko ipon eko lanchi video no nyum nyina later the ati answer o ma yi obi se onye road ambassador ena ye twe ye ho efiri sa no mani nyina
no wen video no wen
ani no video no ho o de pa freja ko refato ayi no obi antie bi
but after
yanti bi bia bia
man ti bi
minister na nka bi bia antie bi
mo pushi
oh ye pushi obi amu ye ena ye twe ye ho epe baby etna ye hwe na menka no krenche se me pa na do chew we den koto se me bu koto yekon be yanka me pa na chew se nyame ye na dum na wo san ba office for the second time ade a onyam fan set record me se major road bia wanye bibia kra tutu hatu papa until say ye be ye kwan no aha ekọ different aha e be different no accident asu twa da.
Wow.
Because nyansa nimpo oda sabe de na dwini wono se wo na impa de na dwini ense da eni wono be kwa da de behia wo edi se wo drive nyansa mu se dai sabe de na dwini enyebuma e be da de behia wo ekun
na se obi de next time be san
yes enti on sampanyi fo no betena se mu ma ye road no se kumase ha 4 ye friends ha 4 ko ha 4 ba takura de ha 4 ko papa wo de pa enya tutu mpo accident to be twa e bia de ho yi you record accident mbo na until say ye be ye kwan say na wo yi ko na wo yi hia mu de enya you make kiss your bride ne de e be ko so pa me fe no you make kiss your bride because omu hia ya accident esi nyina cars ni hia mini se ba ko da enti until say mpanyifo no betena se no mo hwe road ne say enough is enough at least ye tu kwa bro chira ye hu no sa send me free New York a friend say Ohio there's no way say car we bana we share e busy how for it's no be a tipper tracks and tipper track man me fa ketwa de mu wonnam ba bia wo ko sa ko si ba ubedu sempanyifo anya sa de we na do antumi ammoa ma Ghana kwan major road ni ya nya no ahatu we ko ba papa accident ne de o do pa ye monum abofo mfa no free so no ye mo sabe okwase beda de be hye nsani simple
yeah ampon ene mi ankasa my Euro safety ambassador watem
I know video ni na ya na bo kan adwuma ni na yeso e ho na target say ya de beboa ya bebo nyum no o ma nwu ade mti ase akwa bi Euro safety director no nam na papa enioma ya ni enimu no
ampon tobo are you disappointed?
Very very disappointed about that ministry me wa France ho
offer ho
oh Mr. Siama makache ndabia me kache papa offer ya nyum no ya ne dai njomu yeso me sponsorship amaye na ya de atu na mo ba de besi na no bibia ankwasi na ya twe ho me ho ano ya ne bo ka ko studio eja ko ne tuatua no studio ni video nyina egu everything is there o ma man person because we nipa na ma power no say e obi interest me ka jo say enu onyama nyame de amaye ni di ekuta no wo ye dai so ogina na seri pattern be ba ye ni nipa ba 50 ene be ba is important
o can nipa 50 asemi na is a stardom abem.
Oh yes,
stardom it change your life in any way.
The amount you say, keep you calm. Amount you di, amount enjoy life. Suppose ube enjoy. First be anka kukuntebi antibi. Nanka wa park. Na wa jowo de na wa ji nkuru maguso na wo sinya ko baby but and you know. And this is just a restaurant in Bono. This is also kunya baby a VIP. Obi anhwe otroma. Na ko se hodi ya twitwa to man so first name kan disa nka ja wu ba bia na ja kokunte ene ya benko na twitwa bi na ko be batene ne disa ti stardom no kra no rather na ka wo hye
next social media be ka ho no
social media kra de za kwa no kra investment di kra social media
yan social media ba ye bebrina na akoso obehwe no mam nkofo bi a wo se stardom ka wo hye no obehwe no te social media no odi atem any ade ensem bi amanfo keka e wo social media wo sign na wo hu no sa wo hu nua bi sa
babai ni nyina ye adam na me kase mbi waso de me se eda ye yi criminal libel law free crime ena nyame hu free crime akoy because ema enianso ankasa bakrum ha to extend say freedom of speech and freedom of radio station ni ade no ama enianso adoso mo krum angasa ache se obia tumi fa camera video ni phone no ma di obia tam Ghana so e pro no se obi di watam no ma yi wa no pe anipa ni nyansa force no enti eto da bia so okuta bible said dai e wo se obia obi because bible eto da bia na bible aka asem bi se emia ogimifo na wanya so no edu bia na bible na asa aka to se bia ogimifo ni gimie mu wanya mu nyansani eto da bia nipa bi di watam a you have to any class of reply ebu also agimi fo bi wo de wo so to reply no no hu se wo nyansafo too much sa enti ama social media no ye yi criminal libel on free no amani yanso papa ye nyina ye di adanse jeje time ubetumi agina radio so ebi atam na sanity e wo kro mangasa ubetumi ni obi atam free so obi betena konso ani mu pe e wo se wo target obi sofo ye obi a nyame adom wa bob brass no no net TV so wo your court no odinatam enti ama social media na ma acha say eni obi amu obi na man ewuo basa nso e dos because bible otumfo bia ka se mo ja hokosi diwaja enu nani ma won kwa na wale asase so ewurade se menu masem bia medema no aka na nsa ma me nchaji sa ya de minya mepe enti so ye young boy na wudi opanya osin wa bobrase watam social media na fa hudi a otumfo na numa asem waka no onfa won cha won kwa na be shorto me ka se me ni apostle ni etwa adaka no ye kwa wodomi akona ohwe asie hono yedu ye pe no ka je se ni nidi ko senti die ne koso so papa for the past 6 years yamfa obi odi 60 years mahada
wow
oh yes na yetni bad nipa wadi 3 months kraba yifu nkwa na kwana ka se mo se nipa no ba nkwala na yifu na edi na chi besie no omu kwa enche bia ne asade the same ko fo na ba ye no crew na yedum ba kwa saba meaning said ye no enwa ne ye
Young social media seminar sentem the abaso ye ma. Yes, omo social media models.
And I say
slave queens. And so ho. Na omo ro mo ho na obehwe na obi G string. Obi akra sabe Brazil akra wo mu bi no de abeto social media. And also na amanfo pe bi also munya clicks. Say the be almost YouTube ni adon be nyeska. Say meba, say nkrophobia sorry. We almost say operation wear your dress. It is ultra picture. Na so wrong ho be hwe wata. Ba ku bi oha minim se obi hu a ababa we afia odo obehwe a ne picture ankasa utwa ni ena o ma hye na tade no aso okopra sa campaign na se obe form so me form so ye show mo tade o ye show mo tade because we na enuma sa no mu ye na papa omu sa temu ho de na omu se yesu bi ho ma obeba omu se gentleman bi benya 33 years wasasi so a ni hu asem ahyeta wiase na no wo sa ba biem abedi ade abese wiase we na so omu nim de Asam sebe ampon me ba yameti phone so enjoying the number be phrase 0302216545 0302216545 and 0302216546 0302216546 fre ampon ha yen twetwen komo ya buru se bebrebe so bebrede dan waka na fe yen hwe won so adwenkyere about it na quickly yen call Facebook o manfo bi adwenkyere o de aba na fe yen ko kenkan ba ko mienu bi Albert anim e de a aba answer be kwa Albert so no do phobia ba homa no so hello your first and I friend
good afternoon
good afternoon
Robert you me can speak yanko
you Robert manenko
great ampo nyamisa we are free one my year na adeba kwa akuni bi adoma me ra hu ba se nya wo do kana ada ama me hu tu Sunny Viacity.
Asempa FM.
Obi ama wa award no Ghana. Onyankopon award no de ama wa de.
Amen. Amen. No
Mark Abraham, papi, ninju mustenya HM crime Bible system. Minjeni se papi o mama na award. Onyamishra.
O shawzo.
Yo, yabedo ase odofofo from Ranafe yento aso ne enko yanim. Hello. Hello, Mpacha Oluwa radio set mama wa. Aha, Mpacha odofo be ni.
E be mi mo na wule me prepi United States of Kitaba.
Okay, Ima, yetio.
Medasi pa na o she ampon. Ampon de masa o se mi nani be chen bi se even ko award kra onyibi. She ye Ghana ase no akwa ko se ubo inyuma sebi mfaso ni one na ye ma award. What na o she guy we ni time kra na mi perfect e wo keyboard. Ni nyumbi ni ubo epo not see munyina wom any Isaac show boy she ni nyum touch me to the level say in fact it was very great but she nyami action up to now but mama ka tell us me say mo pa no we politics because politics masa omunya minia me pa wasempa men fa wom perform. Why?
Mate.
Okay, well noted. Ampon e wa ha wo so waje atum. Odofo from Mani Kwedem. Hello. Odofo be ni, o ka say friend.
We I can't see man, because see staff me man ko Brunsan.
Okay, Mani Kwe.
Me ma mo ene adwuma ene wie.
Ye tri da wase.
You no ko do Yankopon sapa. The once ma question awusa ni nyina oyi anu maako so does it. Abobo de amobo ha. Akatua na wotu yankopon be ma.
Hallelujah.
So does it. I don't know. Asaso de. Asaso de say de yenye hwe wa asaso so. So ko peso di business di biezi a aso akatua na say ene nya na so hwe. So does it. Yeah. Ojo yankopon nyima baba.
Amisha.
Bye bye. We obi so dia wo de bye. Won so bra na fe twetwen komo Isaiah Kodwampon e wa hello. Hello. Mpacha first and I can say friend.
Nana.
You Nana Manenkwe.
I'm from. Mpacha Nana I'm the center phone.
Omoye pa.
The radio. The dia is dia baby. Na me say the new one. Oh. We yari. And no na me dia shey mu to aya be. Oh. 5 years now, I am The best now, my child. I'm for my cow. Into the dearer than the vampire make help.
Already show.
Very radical. The devil from us to Java. On your mouth. So when you after my
but your number no which
right now. Your number no which ho obefro na afi won wedding come yefa last call na afi yen sorry dwumedie no eso na ye mu dwumedie no kum ebre na aye be Isaiah Kodwampon any special guest for today ani na twetwen komo ya brusu bia ensem so de waka bi pa. Hello yentimi fa calls ni bio. Nemo me messages am for Eddie aba Albert ahende a wode aba wo se do na friend Isaac Albert Jodu wo se wo bo adwuma Nyankopon enhyamo we se friend Armstrong a chow wo se Isaiah we mentor pa ampon wo se we mentor na we dia ode aba wo se wo no so friend Nero wo se wo che ampon pa emfa ho ene a wo sa wonya nyina chi wo gidi so wo bo adwuma wo ambassador number 1 edumanyame Youngson Matthew so dia ode aba wo se well done ampon we se friend na Kwadwo entry wo no so dia ode aba wo so the Bremen SDA Church en wode eba na wo se wo bo adwuma what SDF for him now show me pa nana Kwame entry so dia wode aba was forget about I was yenwe the nyame beka no eno ne wo mu we see from Charles Trinebo I was say I support Mr. Ampon for the double lanes 100% ono so dia wode aba na say kwan na say yenye ne double lanes no also wata wachi pa san so na kwabena asomani na someone so dia wode aba was say I'm so impressed that great Ampon ene waba na otie ne sem na oka no so a utum se na adwunum da ho pa Ampon yes, sorry, so. I said you have a can.
And then I come out with me chick.
Me pacho, and then me boss me bit here no. Eric is working.
Then I'm out with me. Whom you che?
Oh, Uncle Fafi, when I request from your T4 some person motelonka. And so can then social media advocacy was started on your man for your social media and so I say I'm 40.
Yeah.
And so can.
You who are one shop na o man kwatentin so ene adwena odi ehwehwe efense machiri kwan ye wo ho na yeguso
ya hwe say in case esa brain in case obi here for show invitation then they boy they wanya
on fro obe manager for now
no but number bit
what on fro
etineze me the Eric number beto bibia ni a obi on fro komo ye number beto emrepam no na afi ya fre na ye finally the odi jagana for na afi so
the odi jagana for the mekoso asi social media de ne so ehia me pa sa atem die na abana emofre nyina di mpanyimfo atem aye ni mpanyinu makora okromu ano on te so mbeja asade no ye fe ne say untimely death entwam okromu ada fise nyame de waka no waka so obi nya ohwe obi obetumi ahwe wo obi obetumi abowa wo emre bi ebi kura wali di nsam pen na nyoma trega na akotena social media dinko chese mi enti mi ni won mu o hwe mba bia hu mi mini Twitter mini hwan mini babia
oni social media
mini babia baba because promote ade a eye o nyame mu promote no mabone nko a mini ho social media promote ade baba bia de enya nko no mu promote
ya be side up emre ne yesa no we share but ene ne de ye be discuss wo see and show boy said the normal see koy ne ade but for now esa brain intino
mate
Ayame but ye di adwene da chi a ye be hwe so far ye de wase tie to yensa fra so onye pene nyame sha
you will sha
Jesus Christ is coming again. Are you ready to meet him?
Asempa 94.7 FM so ni we so ni ejina na bibia ba na we program no TETE-A-TEE face to face so ni na me mpu for your country walk on a level me din here obi dum bie kwakwa dukumi metrem my prince check the dawn. I was heavily produced by Erica Siedubu Adikejwa nankasa sanso na gifty anta de ko social media any abrantie ba ko na menim ni din no ono so na fa calls your friend but me producer from the house Abikus one Adam do me e best share biom na match bi koso Black Meteors Ghana versus Gabon. Now when him say back commentary ababy ba ko pe na obenya de free undiluted number 1 Asempa 94.7 FM so ntitna say ye the commentary the mu champa bebro mo yakra mo nyina